Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with Boot Up. This video I'm going to show you how to make a music toggle button. So a button where you click it, it'll turn the music on. And when you click it again, it will turn it off. So I've already created the button. I have two costumes. One is labeled off and the other is labeled on. So green light means it's on, and when it's all black, that means that this button is off. So what I want to do now is actually create a variable. So my variable is going to be named something like is music looping. Man, I can't type. And we're going to use this to determine whether or not our music is actually on or off. So when we start off, we're going to press the green flag, and I want to start with the music off. So we're going to switch our costume to off, and we're going to set our new variable to no. So the only answers it's going to have is no or yes. So it's called a Boolean variable, an answer that has true or false, yes or no, etc. And we're going to start off with the size at 100%. So when we press the green flag, it says no, and our costume is correct. Now what I want to do is make it so that when I click on this button, it's going to broadcast a message. And so this message is going to be something called like music loop. And when we start our music loop, what this is going to do is it's going to say that yes, we are in fact looping the music. And then we're going to forever loop a song. I've already added in a song. It's just a drum part because I'm a percussionist, so I like the drums. And we'll just do this one forever. Okay, so we click it. Cool. So that works so far. I changed it to yes, press the green flag again, changes it to no. Now we need to do something with the sprite to toggle it. So we're going to be able to make it so that it turns on or off. To do that, we're going to use this if-else conditional block. So we're going to say if the music is not looping, then we're going to broadcast this. So to do that, we're going to say if our variable is music looping equals no, then we're going to do the code that we just had. Otherwise, we want to stop this if it is looping, and we click it again. So we want to stop the other scripts. We want to stop, whoops, wrong one. We want to stop all sounds. And then we want to say that no, our music is not looping. Okay, so I just kind of talked a lot and showed you a lot. So let me explain it real quick. So now when we click it, if the music is not looping, no, it's going to broadcast this and make it so that it starts looping. However, if it is looping, if it says yes, then it's going to go over here and it's going to stop this code. It's going to stop all the sounds, and then it's going to say, no, our music is not looping. So check this out. So now when I click it, it turns it on. So it says yes. Turn it again, click it again, it says no. Cool, so that's working great. Now, we want to make it so that a user knows whether it's on or off just by looking at it, even if it's muted. So if the music is looping, if the loop is going on, we can say turn it on. And if it's not looping, we want it to go off. So now look. So it switches the costumes. Cool, right? Okay, so I went in and added some code to make this even better. So what I did is I made it so that when we click it, it's going to get smaller if it was off. So like this. See how it got smaller? And then when we click it again, it's going to play another pop sound, and it's going to get bigger and switch to off. So this looks like we're actually pressing the button down and it's staying down. And then when we press it again, it pushes it back up. Just like that. All right, so now if we want to start with our music playing, we need to change a couple things. So we can say, hey, switch the costume to on. Is the music looping? Yes, we want it to loop. We're going to have it start so that it's pressed down. So we'll say start at 80%. And then all we have to do is just say broadcast music loop right away. So now when we start it, it's pressing the button. Then we can click it again and it'll turn it back off. Cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. See what kind of projects you can use this information in.